Assalamu alaikum. In the last video, we complete our master layout and we render our page in the under master layout. So in this video, we will render our data in this student page. So let's create a route for that route, and we need to use get method, get HTTP request. Let's give a endpoint, API endpoint, admin student index. Here is the controller class and method name student index. We can create another different controller for just using our admin, because we already use our student controller. Let's create a student controller. Its name admin student controller. Whatever you want to, you can use. Let's change the name, and we need to import this new controller. Let's go to the controller. We use student index method, copy function student index. We use this before in the indexing data first. In the same way we will do it, but we return data into blade template. First of all, we return as JSON data. We can use that to change the return. So here student, and we will render all data. In return, we will use here view instead of using response or JSON, something else. Here is our template name with admin student, and we send our data as compact. Here is the variable name, and we need to use variable name without $sign and under quotation. So now all the data are in the student template. So we can check now by using that variable. Okay, let's go to the front end. Before that, we need to define our route, because now all the data coming from controller. So we need to use this controller. See all the data render. So now our main task has been completed. Now we need to use now we need to show this data in the table. For that, let's create another folder, component. All the components will be here. Student.blade.php. I'm taking simple HTML markup to save time. Let's see, it's a very simple. Here is the heading and this is our will be link because with the next video we will create our data here, and this is table heading. In the table body we will use loop to render our all data. First let's check it's working or not. For that we just need to use include and our path admin components student. Let's check in the front end. Yes, our table has showing. Let's use for loop. We will use here for less because if we don't get data it will not show error. This is our variable name. We just send here as compact students. This is plural students as a student. That will be single data. Let's use tr and td table data. Student, here is id. We need to use here our column name, database column name, rule, phone number, role and address. And here we need to use action because we need to edit data, delete data or view. Let's check. Yes, so we fill up all the data. Let's refresh. Let's see our data coming. So we successfully do it, render our data. So here let's use anchor tag. It's a view and we need to give some style. Href. We'll set up this link further video. And class name btn. It's a bootstrap class name, you know that. Edit. Next one is delete. Because we are learning CRUD operation, we need to render data, we need to edit data, we need to delete data. Let's change here primary and last delete as danger. Okay, it's done. So we successfully render our data in the table. the next video we will learn how to create data. Thank you for watching.